Hello friends, in advanced JavaScript our topic is switch case statement. So we will see what is the syntax of switch case statement and what is switch case. See, here is the syntax of switch case statement. So if you have some values and for those particular values you have different cases, suppose we have suppose we can take our week. If we take our weekdays, then our first day to sixth day is we can mention here. Our first day is we can say Monday, Tuesday. So for a value of day there is associated day name of it. So that is the case. And if you are doing some mathematical operations, so some mathematical operations may be there. If you are selecting 1 2 3 4 5 and you have 4 operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, if you enter 1, then you have to go for addition. If you enter 2, you have to go to subtraction, and likewise. So the case 1 will be for addition. So likewise it is working. I have made a simple program for it and I will show you. Here I have made one program that is of days. So here switch is my statement and I am passing value of day here. I have declared the day variable and I have assigned the value 6 here. So I have 7 cases here. Which cases? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The syntax of switch is always like this: switch the value of expression, case and its value, and break. So it should be always like this: case break, case break, and last is your default. So after last case you have to give a default case here, that is the name of case is default. So that is the terminator, you can say, for the switch. So here are 6 cases and for each day, suppose I will give here 1, then I will go to case 1. My day is now 6. Day is equal to 6 now. So here the switch value of the expression will be 6 and it will go to case number 6. So alert should be what? Saturday. So if I run this program, see, I have made a simple script block here in the body tag and end it here. So the script type is text JavaScript, and this is the script block here. I am declaring a variable day 6 and my switch expression is now value is 6. So let's see by running it. So here is my switch program, I am running it. So now it is showing. See, I will zoom it to make you more clear. So you can see here Saturday you can see here. So it is showing, this page says Saturday. So this is the case of Saturday of number 6. I will change it and show you. So that was your use of switch case. So if we change the value to 1, it will show. I am saving it. If I am changing this value, it should, now the case number will be, the day value is 1. So here it is 1. Okay, so day is 1. So our case number 1 is what? Monday. So it should show what? Monday. So let's run it and see. Let's see what happens. So it is now showing 1. That is Monday. So it is case 1 is Monday. So if I put invalid input, so I should enter in between 1 to 6 only. If I enter, let's say I have 7 cases here, and if I enter 8 here, suppose the day is 8. So let's see what it shows. If day is 8 and the switch case is now 8, so it is none of our cases, right? We don't have the case number 8, but we have a default case, that is invalid day. Okay, so we don't have 8 day in week, we have only 7 days in week. Okay, so it should show invalid day. So if I run this again, so it is showing invalid day. It is showing invalid day. So that is all about switch case, and we can see more examples of switch case, and I will show you more examples of switch case in next lecture. So that's all about today. Thank you so much.